Cybersecurity awareness. This is the perfect time to check your understanding about today's most serious cybercrime threats and how to protect against them. Here are 5 quick tips to help you keep the intruders out. Tip number 1, maintain awareness at all times. You need to pay attention and be suspicious at all times, whether it's a pop-up, an email that's trying to get you to click a link, or a public Wi-Fi network. You need to consider the risk it poses to you and your business. Tip number 2, use complex passwords. The easier it is for you to remember a password, the easier it'll be for a hacker to figure out as well. You need to maintain complex passwords using both cases, numbers, and special characters. Tip number 3, secure your Wi-Fi with a VPN. When you use a virtual private network, or VPN, your data is encrypted and hidden as it moves from your device to the VPN and then continues onto the internet. This makes it harder for an attacker to identify you as the source of the data. Tip number 4, keep your data backed up and recoverable. If you have a data backup solution, your data is protected against cybercrime attacks like ransomware. With a comprehensive backup data recovery solution, you can restore your data at a moment's notice when necessary. Tip number 5, hire an expert IT cybersecurity partner. Your level of cybersecurity comes down to what you know about cybercrime. While you can try to stay up to date on your own, it's much easier to do so with the help of an IT company that's committed to keeping their clients safe. Have more questions about protecting your business from cybercrime? Reach out to our experts today.